I've met with MBZ in the Emirates. I've met with MBS in Saudi Arabia, the Crown Prince. And something astonishing. These leaders are more pro-Israel than a lot of Jews. When I met with the Crown Prince of Saudi Arabia, I said to him, what do you think of Jews? And what do you think of Christians? I like them both. Tell me why. Because my mother was one. I said, what are you talking about? My father's house director, he said, who raised me, was an Ethiopian Jew evangelical. Wow. Now I can tell you this, in 2.5 hours, the stuff that I heard from the Crown Prince was so astonishing towards Israel that I had to brief the White House and the Prime Minister. Absolutely would blow your mind if you know what this man is thinking. He said, one statement he said, I said, what can the Palestinians do? He said, oh, it's simple. They need to copy Israel.